And also, the stock market in general are expected to create a correction channel between this period until October 31. So that's why it's still, if you are long position, wag mo sabayan yung mga breakout ng indices or yung mga stock. Better you get the lowest points or yung mga support period kasi alam mong magbabounce yan by October, September. And then at the same time, if you see a weakness, specifically resistance, okay, short it because you are actually better position na mag-short ka on a higher period no mga daily time frame, mga ganyan, na malalakas. Okay, if you notice, dollar actually hit a certain resistance. Ito napakalas resistance, but because of its seasonality, it's trying to break out and retest this area. So ngayon, chill lang tayo on the sides, wait for it here, and then saka tayong mag-long ng mga currency pairs, bumili ng mga stock market and all of that kasi malakas pa siya ngayon. Pero, pag nakakita tayo ng red candle within this, actually nasa resistance level na kasi tayo eh. And not just that, ito pa isang nakakaano dyan, oh, yun, oh. So pwede pa yan bumuo ng reverse and head and shoulder, eh, itong area na to. So pero pag nakakita tayo ng red candle katulad niyan kahapon, we can actually potentially short dollar or buy commodity pairs, buy the stock market, all of that. The opposite correlation ng dollar, no?